Ciao! We are Italianforawhile, and today we're gonna talk about our IFA programs, how everything works, and why we think that you should do that. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Brian, and despite my name, I'm 100% Italian. We are a startup based in Milan, Italy, and the first thing that we want to tell you is that this is not a holiday. We are not offering you the chance to take a vacation in our beautiful country. This is something a little bit deeper than that. It's a cultural immersive journey in which you will learn the Italian culture and the Italian language. This is also a group experience, even if you travel alone. Most of our students come here by themselves, but you're gonna study Italian in a group class with people from all over the world. It's a way to immerse yourself in another world within our country. So you're gonna learn together with people that speaks and come from a different total part of the world, and you're gonna be together in a melting pot. You're gonna have a lot of new friends that you're gonna meet in school. And our schools are located in the best and beautiful cities in our country, such as Milan, Venice, Florence, Rome, Naples, Sestri, Lucca, Genoa, and Cefalù. So this is how it works basically, but why you should do that? I mean, what is the real reason you should take a time off and just come here to learn another language? What's the real reason behind it? So this is how it works, but why you should do that? What's the real reason? Are you feeling a bit lost right now in your life, generally speaking? Probably a bit overwhelmed, and you're not just tired, you feel like you can be something more than that. You want to put yourself in a different set. You want to challenge yourself and be forced out of your comfort zone. Like you're not 100% you right now. Like you are holding back because maybe you're living a big changing in your life. Maybe you are scared of the judgment. Maybe you feel stressed about situation that you could not handle. And you always thought that at some point you needed something different. If you're feeling like that, you're probably having a gap moment. And you are not alone. We received many comments like this. For example, this one. It's time for me to transition to making a living in a way that it's more in alignment with who I am as a person. Life is a daring adventure, or nothing at all. It will mean learning more about myself and learning how to live on my own. As you can see, those are comments from people that took the chance to have an experience like that, and that's the main reason people do this kind of experience with us. That's the main reason. And of course you're gonna have a great experience learning Italian culture, learning the language, visiting great cities with a lot of history and great weather, and of course the food. But the main reason would be this one. You want to be able to bring back the real you. And you do that by letting the Italian version of you out. So a gap moment, it's a moment of realization. And we had the gap moment before, many years ago. This is Annetta in US. I've been to Australia as well for 1 year. And when we came back, we decided that we wanted to help other people to have the same experience. So this is not a holiday. It's the beginning of your transformative journey. It's a life-changing experience. You're gonna create lifelong memories and friends.
So get ready to discover yourself and start your journey in Italy. We design 3 programs. The IFA Discovery Program has a duration of 1 to 3 months and will give you a chance to discover yourself in Italy, to explore and find your path in life through connecting and meeting new people. Like Gabriel, who decided to take some time and immerse himself in Italy, in Firenze exactly. The IFA semester is a season-changing experience. It's a time to think about your goals and to challenge yourself. It's an immersion in the Italian life and culture. And then the IFA Gap Year, the full Gap Year program. This is the year of your life. The year when you become Italian. It's a complete immersive experience where you'll be part of the local community and you'll create memories and connection that will stay with you forever. Just like Matt and Alice, who from the UK came here to Milan to live their life. So maybe you're thinking about a short dive, not so short actually, with the IFA Discovery, or a season to change your perspective on life with the IFA semester, or the chance to fully become Italian for a while with the Gap Year. Whatever is the length of the journey that you decide to take, you can count on our constant support. Our counselor will help you choose the best program for you. We'll go through the visa process if you need, together, and help you with any needs you will have. In every program, you'll join activities and the language course, of course, with lessons every morning, Monday through Friday. Our programs are for everyone. Take some time off after school or college to focus on yourself and understand your goals. Or start a new chapter of your life. Maybe after retirement is your chance to immerse yourself in the culturally rich life in Italy. Live la dolce vita. Learn Italian in the morning and work in the afternoon. Combine this life-changing experience with your work life and create new beautiful connections. So, how does it work? Simple. We'll start with a chat. We love to connect with you and together we'll choose the best program for you. Once you're on board, we'll go through the visa process if you need, accommodation, flights, and everything. Then you go through some orientation meeting to prepare yourself for this journey. Then, of course, you arrive in Italy and you will be part of a growing community of locals and people from all over the world. So I'll see you in Italy. Thank you, and we'll be happy to answer all of your questions now.